Hey guys, Claire here, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite savory recipes. I love this so much. It is savory bread pudding, and for this one I'm doing some of my favorite fall flavors: roasted butternut squash, caramelized onions, brown butter, and sage, and it's very easy to put together. I have 1 large bread loaf cubed, 1.5 cups roasted butternut squash, 3.5 cups whole milk, 6 eggs, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, same of Dijon mustard, 2 onions that I've caramelized with a little bit of herbs, and then I deglaze the pan with white wine. You don't have to deglaze with white wine if you don't feel like it, but I like it. I have 2 ounces of unsalted butter and some very pretty sage from my garden. So we're gonna make some beautiful brown butter with sage. All right, well, let's get started. First things first, brown butter. And once it's started melting, I'm then gonna add the sage leaves. So you have to wait for the butter to fully melt. It gets foamy and then it gets clear, and then all of the little white pieces start to turn this beautiful golden brown, and it becomes what the French describe as noisette, which means hazelnut, and it means it has this really beautiful like toasted hazelnut flavor and scent. Making bread pudding, if you've never made it before, you're making a light custard, soaking bread in it, and then baking it. I am going to whisk together my eggs, and then I'm gonna add the milk. So I'm gonna put the brown butter straight into this, but start stirring because I don't wanna cook the eggs accidentally. Next, I am putting the bread in. Then I'm gonna do my roasted vegetables, and then the caramelized onions. Now I am going to pour it into my baking dish. Let the bread soak in this liquid for about 20 minutes before I pop it in the oven. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. If you shake the pan, there should be just a little bit of jiggle, a little bit of give. All right, it's out of the oven. It smells amazing. To me, this is like all the best parts of a stuffing without being a stuffing. It's a little richer, it has better flavor, it's really crunchy, crispy on top, but it has this really beautiful creamy texture as well. It's so delicious, it's so simple. I hope you guys try this and like it. Please comment below if you do. What are some of your favorite side dishes for the holidays? I absolutely love this one. Like the video if you like it, and if you want the full recipe, please make sure to check out my blog, thekitschykitchen.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.